Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to talk about the English proverb early bird catches the worm, or the early bird catches the worm. That's the same thing. The early bird catches the worm. This is used when we want to encourage someone to wake up early or to do things early, do things at the first possible, as soon as possible, and do not postpone things for a later time. And we just say the early bird. If there is a worm, imagine there is one worm on the floor, on the ground, okay? So the early bird is going to catch that worm, okay? The early bird is going to have that meal, not the other ones. So we encourage people by saying this. We talk to people, not birds. And when we say the early bird, as we make birds as examples, we encourage people, we tell each other that if you do things as soon as you can, then the result is yours. If you wake up early, then the result is yours. You'll use your day in a better way. You'll get more out of your day, or things like this. So that is to encourage people, to advise each other. That is when we advise each other to do things as soon as possible, to do things early. Okay. Now this idiom, or let's say this proverb, is mentioned in John Ray's collection of English proverbs as well. So the collection was collected. It took him 8 years, from 1670 to 1678. John Ray collected English, has a collection of English proverbs, and that took him 8 years to complete this. And this is also mentioned in that book as well, in that collection. Okay, so it is something that it is common today and also being used for years now. Now let's look at some of the examples. We want to be at the theater early for the best seats. We want to be at the theater early for the best seats. The early bird catches the worm. Over here, early bird is actually we, okay, and catches the worm. Worm over here is the best seats actually. So if we are early, if we be quick, if we not waste time and do it as soon as we can, then we will get the best thing, which is in this case is the best seats in a theater. Okay, so the early bird catches the worm. That's this one person talking to the group and advising, encouraging others to be quick and do things early. She's always the first one in line and does well at these auctions. The early bird catches the worm. Over here, the early bird is this person, she, because she's always the first one in the line, because she's always first, because she's always quick, because she wakes up early maybe, or these kind of things, and she does well. And doing well is the worm, or bird is the result. Okay, so we kind of make it, we use similes. Let's say it's like a simile now over here that makes her action similar to the bird that catches the worm, and both are getting the result what they want, because they are early or first. Okay, and over here another example, a conversation between A and B. What time are we going fishing tomorrow? 4 a.m. Hey, what? Why so early? The reason, the early bird catches the worm, or maybe the fish. This is the fish. Okay, so here they want to be the early birds to catch the worm. They are early, they're going early in the morning, and they're going to catch fish, like the bird that catches the worm. So this is used to say be quick and get it early. Sometimes early to bed, early to rise, something like this is also used. That is mainly to advise people to go to bed early, or to wake up early, to have the opportunity to use the day in a better way. But this is not always about waking up early. It is, this theatre or this auction might be in the evening, I don't know. So we can't say that she is always first because she wakes up early. Maybe she doesn't. Maybe she wakes up late. Maybe she sleeps up to noon, I don't know. But for the auction she's early, so it depends what the timing of the auction is. So this is not just to talk about waking up early. Sometimes you wake up late, but you do things quickly, you prepare quickly, you do things as soon as possible, you do not postpone things. So this is used in for both areas. One, the ones that wake up early, and also the ones that do things quickly without wasting time, without killing time, without postponing things. So it can be used in both areas. You might have two different proverbs for these two in your language, or you might have one, just like English. Of course, English has more as well. And there might be differences or similarities. Let me know. Comment the proverbs that you have similar to this one in your language, and let me see what these things are in your language. I'm interested to know about these things. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.